What I remember the most from the workshop was just learning more about each of the different numbers.
We had 3 other team members there, so it's always good to spend time with the team doing that kind of training.
I knew from our firm how well it worked, but seeing it in a much bigger scale and seeing the different types of people that had taken it and how it worked for them in different businesses really opened my eyes to say, yeah, this works great.
So we got to talk about how we use Kolbe at work and in the office, and just it's always fun to have people to bounce ideas off of or to talk about when you learn something new. So it was nice to have people there with you.
I'd say the first half was probably more about the personal MO and what each trait means.
How that relates to me and how you can use them to better understand other people, I thought was really interesting.
We talk about it a lot internally, so there was a lot of head nodding to each other and understanding it.
One of the things I remember the most that really stood out to me from the day was when they randomly picked people from the group that had different Kolbes and brought them up and had them do an activity in the front of the room. And before they did the activity, they said, here's what we think we're going to see, and it was pretty similar. It was really neat to see how predictable it is when you know somebody's Kolbe, like what they're going to do.
And every time I hear examples that they bring up, I go, oh, that is like me, which is great.